Come test drive 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.